Yup, it's a hiccups.
¿Es hipo? No sabía que el hipo fuera tan peligroso.
They are not. In your average, normal, everyday, ordinary, watch it.
Por favor, explique más rápido, profesor.
Sorry, I believe that since you're superheroes, your hiccups are superpowered.
¿Cómo nos deshacemos de él, profesor?
Well, whenever I get the hiccups, I just drink a glass of water. A sip of H2O will make him go.
Excellent job.